Good morning, geometry guys, for my honors geometry class, and I am missing my stylus. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, hit the bell. So we're going to pause just for a second. Okay, I found it. It was right there. Kind of hard to see when it's on the black desk and it's black. It's like a blind man in a dark room looking for a black cat that's not there. Okay, so today in honors geometry class, we're going to be looking at trapezoids. Okay. Also, new procedure. There's only one person absent, but y'all's new box is going to be on the far right. It's clear today. It will be kind of maroonish when the other one comes in. Just depends. All right. So a trapezoid, you know, you got to be careful because like Admiral Akbar said, it's a trap. So it's one set of parallel lines. Okay. These two are going to be parallel. All right. These are going to be called your bases. No trouble. Okay, and the non-parallel are the legs. Now, they could be slant. Both of them could be slanted. One of them could be slanted. But these are your legs. That's a leg, and that's a leg. All right. Two angles that include a base are base angle pairs. Okay, so that would be these. Base angle pairs, base angle pair. Okay. The interior angles add up to 360 and the same side are supplementary. That means that, you know, this and this is supplementary and this is supplementary. Okay. So all that you should have filled in. Change the handout from what it originally was. So let's see how this goes. And I can't remember if I finished this at 8 o'clock, 8:30 last night or not. Who knows? All right. So, moving on. So, example 1, find x and y. All right. So, first we need to know, what do we set these equal to? Yeah, 180. So, 180 minus, oh, crap, shucks. Let me try this again. X plus 52 equals 180. So minus 52, minus 52. All right, so that would be 180. That's 480. Minus 52. All right, so X is 128 degrees. All right. So how do you find y? Same process. Okay. Y plus 88 equals 180 minus 88 minus 88. So y is 92 degrees. Okay. So kind of, you know, simplistic, straightforward. All right, not trying to, you know, throw any curveballs at you yet. I can't really throw curveballs anymore. Hurts my shoulder. Okay. All right, are we good with example 1? Yes, no, maybe so. Catch the tiger by the toe. Eat your hot Cheetos. All right. So write this down. A mid segment, it basically cuts the thing in half. Okay, so I've heard people call this mid segment before. They've called it, this is funny, they've called it the equator because it basically cuts stuff in half, unless you're a flat earth person. Now, and what it does is it cuts this, you know, that's congruent. All right. Half of the length of the sum of the bases is this. Okay. This is also the average. Okay. And some of y'all are way below that, as we've seen on your already things. So basically we're going to add, and it doesn't matter which one or two, because it's adding, and we're going to put it all over 2, and we should have that. Okie dokie? Okie dokie. Those Cheez-Its really good. Over there crinkling as you eyeball me. It's weird. Alright. So, super duper crazy hard for example 2. We're solving for x. X equals 17 plus 14 all over 2. And guess what? Okay, you can put that in the calculator like so, as long as you type in the correct numbers, right, Jim? Oh my gosh, how many times am I going to type in stuff wrong? Alright, so it's 31 over 2 or 15.5. I don't know why those 5s turned out like cursive. Alright, so that's it. I don't know about y'all, but personally I'm liking this version of the equation of the formula other than what's in blue. That's just me though. So, yeah. Alright, good. Ooh. This time it's a little different. So we would add 40 plus x over 2 equals 36. I wonder what we do first. I bet we subtract 40 from both sides first, correct? No. Alright. All this is being divided by 2, so we would multiply. Is that funny how I said multiply? You also say some of the craziest stuff all the time, like it makes me want to think that y'all need to go see people in the Grippy Sock Hotel. But I'll make a joke sometime, you are like, oh my gosh, that's what a cornball. 32 equals x. So shouldn't be that bad. No. Could be worse. Really could. I could have made a video and like gave you the handout and made you actually fill it out and then turn it in to end the class. And now check it to see if you actually filled it out correctly. But that's not really y'all learning, is it? Nope. All right. Ooh, this one's fancy. I'm so fancy. You already know. Get my nails done. And even on my toes. So, you set it up like this. Remember, it's, that's 1, that's 2, it's over 2, equals this. It's the same thing, just a little, what's the guy with the seasoning and he does his elbow and the salt drips off yeah. Like Eduardo Figueroa or something like that. I don't know. Looks Italian to me. So 14x equals 7x plus 5 plus 6 plus 2, 6x. So 13x equals 7. Oops. Not equals. Plus 7. Really? Have y'all ever seen the Jim Carrey movie called Liar Liar? That's the name of the movie, Liar Liar. They're actually redoing it and updating the language. It's going to be called Capper Capper, and then the poster says Capper Capper. Trust, fam. All right, are we good with example 4? Fruit roll up. You good with example 4? Yeah. Fruit roll up. Why would I call somebody a gorilla? Especially a female. Oh my goodness. All right. Isosceles. All right. If it's isosceles, that means that this is congruent to this, and this is congruent to this, and the diagonals are congruent. Now, I'm not going to draw the diagonals and make them congruent because that'd be kind of messy. Okay? Like, messy drawing. Like some of y'all's conversations that y'all try to have in the hallways, because we have so many people that should actually identify as jumper cables, because thank you for kicking the bucket. You should identify as jumper cables because you're always starting something. Now, so A, B, C, D is all right. B is 102. Find this, and this. All right. So what's the easiest one to find out of here? Okay. All right. Good job, Harriet. Wait, not Harriet the spy. What's some detective? I don't know. Good job, Super Sleuth. Okay. But what would be the next one that's easiest to find based off what we just have, which is just above this on the screens? C. Okay. C would be 102. Because that would be the same. Now, A and D. Not to be confused with A and W. All right, so you would actually take those, subtract it from 180. Now, some people are going to say, some people will do this. You don't have to. Like 360 equals 102 plus 102 plus 2x. But you're going to get the same thing. I know some people are like, why would you do that? That's so many steps. Again, like some of y'all are messy, some of y'all just like to make things harder than it has to be. Okay? So that was example 5. Whoops, didn't mean to do that. So all these are just kind of practice things. So I want y'all to actually, I'm going to let y'all do the next 3 problems on your own. Even the kite thing, the kite is pretty easy. It's marked. So I would start on number 7. I would do this. Here's a little hint. Some of y'all probably still won't figure it out. Find x first using these. And then, oh yeah, pretty simplistic. All right, so that's it for today's lesson. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, with the bell. Good stuff, good things. Roll time.